Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Marill from Pokemon. Let's start with head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw nose. Draw mouth. Draw a curved line for the body. Draw ear. Draw ear. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw a zigzag line for the tail. Draw a circle at the end of the tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.